love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how you can compress any image file with the help of Python programming. So today we will write a code which will help in making it a compressed JPG file or PNG file. So firstly we will download a Python programming software. It can be any like Visual Studio Code and PyCharm. So I am using Visual Studio Code here. So firstly we will go to the desktop and create a folder with any name. I have already created it, you can see, and download a image file here. So its size is 1.54 MB. So we will now compress it. So firstly you have to go to your Visual Studio Code and open a folder here and go to desktop and open this folder created by yourself. So now we will create a new Python file. So I am giving the name as imagecompressor.py. So now we will write the code for it. So now we will write from enter import and this sign and go to the next line and write import pil. Before writing this you have to open your terminal and install a module name as pillow. So I am writing pip install pillow. So my requirement is already satisfied. So if it is not satisfied in your device, it will install for you. So now we will write here import pillow and from import image I will be capital. So image font. These are the programs of our pillow module. Now we will go to our next line and write from enter dot file dialog import ask open file name and go to the next line and write from enter dot file dialog import and now this sign. And now we will go to our 10th line and write file path and now we will write equal to open ask file name and now we will write img equal to pillow dot image dot open equal to file path and the next line we will write my height my width equal to emg dot size and now we will write format equal to img dot format img equal to img dot resize my height my width and now we will write pil dot image dot nt alias. So now we will close our bracket Go to the next line and write save path equal to ask save as file name, and now we will open and close the brackets. Now we will write img.save save path, and now we will write inverted commas compressed.jpg. So now we will write a bracket to close the bracket. So you can see now our code is completed. Now we will run it. Now I will click on this play button. So you can see it is asking for the importing a file which is to be the compressed. So now I will go to the desktop and the folder which was created by us, and now we will select this image and click on it and open it. So now we will save our new image here. So I am writing new. So now we will save it here. So you can see on the desktop a new image has come, new compressed. So now we will check properties of it. So you can see its file size is changed and its file size is now 1.27 MB, and now I can use anywhere in the compressed conditions. So you can see there is not any drop of the quality in the image. If you want to run this command from the folder, we will write cmd here and we will python ic.py. Now we will run the code from here and select it, and we will do the same process. So you can see our new file has came as same as from the command from the Visual Studio Code. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.